Hi everyone. Now that we have understood the strategy or the steps that we need to take to attempt this question type, let us go ahead and apply all those steps to a difficult level question. In the strategy video, we have already seen how those steps can be applied to the easy and medium level difficulty level questions. Now this particular video is only for the advanced or the hard level question. And again, this question is being released by College Board. Now let's read the first part of this question stem to understand what the goal is. The student wants to present the primary aim of the research study. So the student wants to present something, and what is it that the student wants to present? The primary aim of the research study. Primary aim basically means the main reason as to why the research study was conducted, right? Why that research was being conducted, the main reason for it, right? Now let's go to our options with this understanding. A. Bosley's team wanted to better understand the mechanics behind bird nests' uniquely flexible yet cohesive structural properties. So now it tells me what the team wanted to do, right? So wanting to do something for a particular reason is kind of already talking about the aim or the reason behind doing something. So it's telling me some reason, right? Now let's go to B. The researchers used lab models that simulated the arrangement. Now it's telling me what they used, correct? But the question or the goal is not about what they used in the study. It's about what was the reason, what was the primary objective behind conducting the study. So B is out because it's not answering the question why, it's telling me how, right? They used this. That is how they conducted the study. Let's go to C. After analyzing the points where sticks touch, the researchers found that. Now it's talking about what the researchers found. This is talking about the finding of the study. It's not talking about why the study was being conducted. So C is again out. D. As analyzed by Bosley's team, bird nests are uniquely flexible. Now this is simply the analysis, like the explanation or the description of the analysis done by Bosley's team, right? It's not telling me the reason why this study was conducted or what was the objective of this study. It's not telling me that. Right, so simply put, A is the correct option because it's telling me why were they conducting the study? What was their objective? They wanted to better understand the mechanics behind bird nests uniquely, blah, blah, blah. But the only thing that's important to me, it's telling me what they wanted to do. They wanted to better understand something, right? This is how you're supposed to attempt this question type. And understand, this is a difficult level question. This is a hard difficulty level question, all right? And when you do this on your own, it will not take more than 30 seconds for you to attempt this particular question type if you follow this strategy, right? So follow this strategy and make sure that you're attempting this question type in 30 seconds and nothing more than that. Thank you so much.